So, hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well, and Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great as well. So, in this video, I'm gonna helping you all setting an intention and goal. Well, if you don't know what is destination, then how will you know which direction to go? So, it's extremely important for all of us to achieve. In order to achieve anything in our life, we need to set a goal. Well, there could be different kinds of goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, and quarterly goals as well. So the first important thing that you need to know is that intention is everything. And then after you need to figure out that on which aspect of life do you want to work on. It can be your health, your career, and your relationship as well. But make sure you are supposed to have trust on the process of life. If you say that nothing can be work, it's not gonna work for me, it can't be changed, and let's just try it will definitely not work. So instead of saying all these negative words with regards to yourself, if you start saying no matter what, but I'm gonna make it happen, because the moment you say to these things to yourself, you close all the doors that take you the back step. So now second most important thing is that your goal. So what you need to do is that firstly you need to close your eyes, and then after you just have to imagine that where you want to see yourself a month later, 2 months later, and 3 months later, with respect to your health, your career, and relationship as well. It can be anything. And then after you just have to write down all these things on pen and paper, because most of the people what they do is that they just fix a goal, they just set a goal in their mind instead of writing all these things in details, and then they just keep on thinking instead of taking any actions, and then they just start complaining that this is not right goal, I can't be able to, it's not achievable. How can be it achievable until and unless you take any step with respect to that things? So first of all, what you need, just take a blank paper, and in that paper just write down this is your goal. And then after, what all the things do you need to do, just write down. Like suppose I want to be a trainer, so for being a trainer I need to work on my communication skill, public speaking, I should have extensive knowledge, and then the third thing is that I should know storytelling. There are lots of things, okay? So like I got to know that I need to work all these kinds of things, and then after I will make my to-do list. In to-do list I will write down all the things, okay? And every day I will just try to work on it, and make sure you'll have to fix a date, because if you don't fix any date now, it will take you years and years and years. And what we do is that few human beings, because we have lack of patience, right? We don't have the patience. We just think like it is taking me years and years, and just because of that it is not working for me. No, just because you didn't have fix any date now, you are not working with respect to that things with consistency, and then after you lose the confidence. So you don't have to do these things. While you are setting any goal, you have to set the fix, you just have to set any date as well, okay? And you start working on as well. But here is the most important thing that I would like to say is that consistency, because consistency is the key of success. So you don't have to lose the hope, just keep working, and keep working, and that is going to lead you somewhere where you want to go.